Hey, I'm Joe, you know me. Today I'm doing an unboxing and a review of a Hamilton Beach 12 cup coffee maker with 3 brewing options. Not really sure what the 3 brewing options are, but it probably means it'll make it lighter, darker. Don't know how it does that. Coffee magic, as far as I'm concerned. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Probably not. My wife will probably make my coffee. My wife, the consummate bargain hunter, got this for half price at Kroger. Normally it runs about $30. She got it for $14.99. No offense to you consummate deal hunters out there, and you know who you are. I'm not an expensive coffee maker kind of guy. I'm not too particular. As long as you put a lot of creamer and a lot of sugar in it, any kind of coffee is going to taste good no matter what you make it in. It comes in a nice white box. I like the box. I guess its programming says it makes regular or bold coffee or 1 to 4 cups. I think that's the third mode, is 1 to 4 cups. It shuts off in 2 hours, as all of them do, I guess, to keep from burning your house down. I'm sure it's made in China. China. It is made in China. Good stuff. I'm gonna open it up and make some coffee today. Let's get on with this show then. You kind of wonder who tied all those knots. And when I take these packages apart, that's what I think about. Carafe, your obligatory foam packing. Yeah, you got your basket. It's a regular size thing. And you have an instruction sheet. How many of y'all set the clock in your coffee maker at home? I'm not one of them. Nobody does that. If you do, you're a minority. I don't know about you, but I need some coffee. We have our distilled water from Walmart. One thing I would like to point out about this is the indicator. It's actually protrudes out. When you're standing in front of it and pouring water into it, you can see the water level. 1, 2, 3. Smart. You people out there, if you're gonna put this in your kitchen, you better be setting it right next to where the outlet is, or you don't mind tripping over your extension cord every time you get your Morning Joe. Hamilton Beach. Extension cord. That's annoying. Speaking of Morning Joe, my name's Joe. Let's see about making some coffee. The coffee's good. Now I can sit back and enjoy my cup of coffee. Yeah. This is the conclusion of the Hamilton Beach 12 cup coffee maker and review. If you find it interesting, hit the subscribe button at the end after the credit roll. Till then, have a good night. Hey, today we're gonna do an unboxing of the